Well, guys, we made it to the Freedom Factory. Came with a group of friends here too. Freedom Factory, test 2. I wasn't recording the first time.
True.
Godspeed, sir.
You guys good? Camera's on? Camera's on, you're good. So that's just a bunch of fluid that splashed on it.
No shit.
That makes great footage.
Well, this is some of the crazy shit that goes on at the Freedom Factory. Got Seth here doing some redneck repairs. Can't knock it if it works. All right, guys, we are set up here at the Freedom Factory for the first time. We are here for a Cleetus and CARS event. We partnered up with Hidden Motorsports again and Skids for Kids. I got a cameraman here, which is awesome. This is a first, but if you want to take a look, I'll show you our stand here before we start. If you want to get a little look here, we did a banner here with Hidden Motorsports, unveiling that for the first time. I've also partnered up with Garage Girls Jewelry here, which is cool. They have all these automotive necklaces. We have turbos, pistons, and a rotary, as well as some bride wallets. But yeah, we're set up here for the event. It's I think it goes till 4 o'clock. It's going to be an awesome event, so stay tuned and I'll let you know what we come up with next. Got a little break here. The crowd's up in the stands now. The Burnout competition is about to start. Things are getting fired up here. I forgot to mention, we do have Boosted Boys and PFI over here. They got a nice merch booth set up here. The fastest MR2 right there, their 240 right there. Yeah, they got a little bit of everything out here today, which is cool. The crowd is awesome. First time here at the Freedom Factory. Fantastic crowd. Like I said, the Burnout competition's about to start, so we're going to root on for Carl at Skids for Kids and all the guys we came with. Obviously, we're rooting for them for #1, but best Burnout wins. So we'll see how that goes. I'll probably be able to get some footage of that. I might even strap the GoPro to Klaus, and we'll get some real smoky action for you. But yeah, I had a quick break, figured I'd check back in, and yeah, we'll see where we are in a little bit. right, Burnout competition is underway. Carl is up next here in a minute. They're just doing some last minute prep to the car to get it ready. I'm gonna try and get my camera on the car here, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. I won't have you for a minute, and then yeah, we'll see what kind of footage we get. It should be wild.
Woo! Are we doing?
Let's go, Carl!
Your belt is on. Your belt's on. So let's hear it for Hidden Motorsports.
Great job.
Ernest Brewworks.
All right.
Ernest Brewworks?
Yeah, our biggest sponsor.
You heard that. Biggest sponsor. We're going to give out some refreshments.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our last competitor.
Free beer. No strings attached. Free beer. You got two. You got two. Free beer. No strings. No strings.
Thank you, sir.
Free beer. Free beer. Must be 21. Must be 21. Why don't we just sell free beer? And that's what happens at the Freedom Factory. Did you get third, dude?
I got third.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm so happy. I didn't even think I was gonna place.
Did you get a trophy, bud?
I need the podium. I'm not gonna hold it.
Yeah, hell yeah.
So I could have got first in Rivals,
if I pop the tires.
Dude, third place is the new first place.
It really is, if you know. It really is.
It's kind of like a C- really.
I'm like second.
Dude, I was stoked for a C-.
Second runner up. Is that what they call it? Second runner up. Oh, I love it. I placed.
You're the third winner, man.
Woo! I'm third winner.
I'm proud of you, dude.
So the first and second winner doesn't show up. I'm basically the winner, right?
That's it. It's your trophy at that point. It was beautiful in Florida today. I'm just happy and honored I'm even here. You came from New Jersey, made it to Florida, and hopefully get in a day tomorrow. So we'll see. If not, this might be the end of the video. So peace.